So which trip did you bring the canaries?
Huh?
Which trip did you bring the canaries?
Which is what?
Which trip did you bring the canaries?
Ah, the canary, the first trip.
Oh, okay.
The first trip. But I told you what the story. Didn't I tell you?
Yeah.
But I forgot.
Tomorrow, you and Mom came to when it was winter, was ice cold, and you and Mom came to the ship. You was a baby. How old you was? I think a year and a half, something like this. A year,
Okay.
So
a year,
1959, 1960.
something, yeah, some around there. And my mama wanted the bird. And I got for a couple of cartons of American cigarettes, I got 2 beautiful canaries. Real, they never stop whistling and so.
Where did you get the canaries? What country?
From it over there, you can get a million canaries if you want.
What country though?
In Ghana,
Oh, in Ghana.
yeah, you can get them everywhere. In Ghana, in Liberia, in Takoradi. So what was the name of this? Another name of a country there.
So you were in Ghana and you got 2 canaries for your,
I got them in Ghana.
for your mother-in-law?
Yeah, and I kept them all the time. And Moro even helped me. He took care of them.
Yeah, I know.
He fed them. He fed them. He took care of them. Everything. He helped me. And so when we started to come to leave the Ecuador there, the Africa, and get to the cold weather, so he took care of them. And when we got to Hamburg, and Mom and Sally come, wait a minute. No, you was in another ship you came. You came with another ship, no.
Sarah.
No, you wasn't there.
Give me the plug.
What's the charger?
Yeah. Go on. So you got to Hamburg? The birds made it to Hamburg?
So I got we got to Hamburg, and Mom came, and everything was all right. The canaries was still whistling and everything, and I went with Mom ashore, you know, to do some shopping, and it's still running, huh?
Yeah, they said it's going to rain again and then get colder tonight. Get windy and colder.
So
So you got off the ship in Hamburg.
yeah, when it was ice cold, was I remember below 0. We came back to the ship. The next morning we had to leave for Rotterdam. So I asked Moro, how's everything? It's fine, he says. How's the birds? They're sleeping. I says, when they're sleeping, they didn't feel right. Right away, they were in my mess room. Right away, I ran to the mess room. He put them on top of the heater. He put the cage on top of the heater, and he covered the heater with a big towel. He fried them.
He didn't know it though, huh?
Just the day before arriving home.
He thought he was going to help him. Hang on, let me get another bat.